What is up, guys? BTappin here, and a question I often get asked is, what router has the best range? In this video, I will answer the question and give you a surprising result. Previously, before I discovered commercial grade routers, I used to use residential grade routers. The one I used to have is the Cisco E2500. Although the router wasn't bad, it just didn't work for suburban homes as advertised. Most routers that advertise that they're capable of bringing signal to the entire home are nearly half right. Most of these routers have 100% signal strength within a 10-foot radius. After that, it slowly starts to decline. For example, in my room I was getting 45% signal strength with my router, which was causing massive bandwidth issues. The router was also constantly crashing from overheating. So, how do we fix this problem? To do this, we will look to commercial grade routers. These routers are designed to output signal through businesses such as hospitals, offices, and malls. For this reason, they will work phenomenally well in a suburban home setting. The current router I use is the Ubiquiti Networks Enterprise Wi-Fi system. It's an access point that you can either hook up to your modem as a primary router or your router. It will give you, without a doubt, the best coverage in your home versus any other consumer grade router. It is also very cheap at only $73.25 on Amazon. For example, at 10 feet away from the router, I have 100% signal strength. Moving on to 20 feet, still 100% signal strength. Upstairs in the farthest corner of oblivion, 100% signal strength. This router is definitely the best I've seen as far as signal strength. But what about durability? Since this router uses power by Ethernet, it is much more efficient on the power it uses. Compared to my old router, this router has never overheated, it is never randomly disconnected, and download speeds are 100% or more of what we're paying for. The plan we have is the ultimate plan, which guarantees us 50 megabits per second down and 5 megabits per second up. On the speed test on their website, I'm getting 55.3 megabits per second down and 6.21 megabits per second up over Wi-Fi, which is a crazy thing. On my PS4, which utilizes a single band connection, I'm getting 100% signal strength, which is impressive considering the Wi-Fi card in the PS4 isn't that great at picking up a signal. How easy is it to set up? It's actually quite simple. Start by running a cable from your Ethernet port on your modem or router into the LAN port on the power cable. Then plug an Ethernet cable into the PoE slot and plug the other end of the cable into the Ubiquiti router. Then that is done. The next step is to download the software at downloads.ubnt.com/unify and install them. Once the install is complete, run the file and follow the on-screen instructions. And voila! It's as simple as that. Now you can experience improved performance on Netflix, YouTube, and games, since you have a great way to connect to the internet. Thank you guys for watching, and if you go out and get this router, let me know how it goes for you. I'd be happy to hear. Peace out, guys, and subscribe.